let's start cooking, Ilia.
Okay.
It's time for lunch. I will be your sous chef today. I'm just flouring some of this fish. This is one of the classic, traditional, easiest way to cook fish, especially small fish. Just fry them up, and it's really delicious.
And for me, easy cooking.
On a typical day, what time do you start selling?
We wake up at, let's say, 8 to 9 o'clock. We have our breakfast. We go out. We stay on one place for swimming. And we usually stay there for the whole day. And in the evening, we try to be on a port, and we can enjoy the beauty of the port, the port life, the little port cities on the different islands. Amazing coasts with turquoise waters. All along the Riviera, there are a lot of places where you can stay.
Okay.
That's it.
Γεια σου, Ηλία.
Γεια μας.
If I lived near the Athenian Riviera, I would be on this boat every weekend. I want to know more about the life in the marina.
The marina is a neighborhood. You know the most of the people that are living there. There is always a discussion about boats, about the weather, as you say. Most of the boats, like their owners, are renting them. And there is people from all over the world, and it's one of the more important destinations worldwide.
For selling.
For sailing, yes. How do you like the fish?
The fish is delicious.
Delicious.
It's very fresh. You can taste it immediately. They're nice and crunchy.
When they are fresh like that, they need nothing.
How often do you enjoy your own boat?
You can enjoy the boat almost all over the year. The climb is mild.
What I think is really interesting is that regular people have boats. You don't have to be a Greek ship owner to have a boat.
I think it's accessible to more people.
Is there something you say when you leave a dock or something you say when you come back?
Enjoy.
Enjoy.
Enjoy the trip.